this video, we're heading to Gods River, Manitoba. We're installing a grillage foundation and a Vsat satellite to improve the backhaul for the internet in the community. Accommodations in the community were quite nice and comfortable. They really know how to take care of their workers.
First thing we gotta do is dig an 8 by 8 hole, about 8 feet deep.
The grillage comes all stacked on a pallet like this, so we need to unpack it, lay it out, and bolt it all together. Here you can see team members Scott and Mike starting to bolt some of the bottom pieces together. Once the bottom section is all fastened together, the next step is to use the backhoe and lower it to the bottom of the hole. Once the bottom piece is in the excavation, we then grab the vertical column and we'll place it on top, then add the braces to support it. Here we're bolting the column down and adding the braces. After that, we start backfilling. And this is what it looks like when you're done. Here we're adding the mount for the satellite dish. Due to how far north we are, this is really the only way to get internet connectivity into the community. There's no way to trench fiber optic cables up here yet. Because of the location of the satellite we're connecting to, which is practically above the equator, this dish will be positioned in an almost vertical orientation. I hope this gives a little insight into what it takes to bring high-speed internet to northern communities. It can often be quite a challenge and quite a bit of work and travel involved. Thanks for watching.